I just hope there's no used condoms in there or anything. Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and today we are doing a marketplace, Facebook marketplace mystery box unboxing. Now, while I was browsing the other night, I saw they had a bunch of mystery boxes. So out of curiosity and boredom, I decided to buy one without checking the reviews first. So they're selling $1 each and the shipping was $2.89 for each package. In the description it says mystery packages $1, could be anything, and condition is used like new. So, and yeah, it was shipped in this beaten AF box. Oh, like take a look, you guys. I can't even show you. It's a lace box that is beaten up and open, and okay, I don't even know how it made it to the destination. So we're going to open up. I just hope there's no used condoms in there or anything too. Drum rolls, and let's open it up and see what we got. That was the stupidest thing I ever done in my life. So we got an empty envelope. We're gonna start with that. I'm actually might need it. So the first thing I see here is The Hope We Seek, a novel by Rich Shapiro. Now, I am not a big reader, so I'm not familiar with a lot of books. So for someone who doesn't read, that is a taboo. We got a lot of books today. So yeah. So it looks like it's a book and there is a CD here, I think. Is there a CD? Let's open up. Yeah, it's a CD, Songs from the Big Wheel, Rich Shapiro with Marissa Nadler. Never heard of them, and I think I'll never hear of them either because I don't have a CD DVD player. Do you guys still use those? I mean, there's no way for me to listen to this, so, and I don't think I'm going to be reading it, so I'll probably either gift it to someone who enjoys it, or yeah, we'll see. All right, the next thing I got is a pretty beaten up, what is this? New York Times bestseller author Iris Johansson. Oh God, I don't even know how to read this. Takes you to the edge of suspense, and it's Stalemate. It's an 8-hour, 36 minutes, 8 compact disc. So it's an audiobook. It's pretty nasty, you guys. So yeah, it's very dirty. Let's see how the discs look. Hope they're not scratched. Well, they're kind of, yeah, they're scratched. So and also there's like discarded, so yeah. So we got this that I will never use or whatever. Another audiobook. Okay, this one is 0 Hours, Clive Cussler and Graham Brown. Another New York Times bestseller. Yeah, so stuff I'll never get to use or whatever. Then we have another audiobook. Dear Lord, this one at least looks a little bit decent. So this one is Centerville Public Library. Someone forgot to return it. All right, well, it's too far for me to return it. So this one is The Last Assassin, a John Ray novel, read by Michael McConaughey. Amazing stuff that I can't even, I don't know, I'm useless. dear God. Another audiobook. Stuart Woods, a Stone Barrington novel, Dark Harbor. Yeah, 7 hours, 51 minutes, 7 compact discs. Amazing. Shit that I don't need. Well, let me know in the comments down below if any of these are familiar or if you heard of them. What do you think of them? Like, do they hold any value? They definitely don't to me. All right, we finally got to the books. So the first book I see in here is Inquiring About Communities. And oh, that's something that I can read. Yeah, that's something I can read to Dylan when he gets older, a little older. So, all right, well, at least something out of it. And the next, okay, the next is Communities and Their Needs. Silver Bardet and Gin Social Studies. Okay. Huh. Alright. I'm not sure what this is all about. What is Memorial Day? Alright. Well, I probably could read this. How did the Sioux use the buffalo? Okay. Alright. Well, it looks like it has some interesting stories. So I might keep this one for entertainment for like when Dylan gets older and I can read some stuff for him. Alright, next stuff I got is the Atlas of the World History. This one actually is a pretty good one. I'm definitely keeping this one. This is From the Origins of Making to the Present Day. Well, I don't know what present day is, but this one is definitely something maybe I can keep for when Dylan grows up, and maybe I can read some of it sometimes when I'm too bored, when I have time, which never happens. Next one is Health and Healing, the Natural Way, Natural Remedy. Ooh, Natural Remedies. That's actually not too bad. It looks like new too. Looks in pretty good shape. That might be something I would actually take a look at it. Oh, look at that. Women's health, men's health, accidents and injuries, illness and infections. This one, actually, I don't mind at all. So, we'll keep that. And the last book in our mystery box is Coming In on a Wing and a Prayer. A granddaughter remembers her wartime hero. So, yeah. What we have here? The story of my grandfather, William Brown. I have written this book in the style of a letter written by me as a grandmother, sometimes in the future, to my future grandchildren, about memories of my grandfather. Their great-great-grandfather, William Brown. Well, I guess it's a personal story or something like that. So, it looks pretty old, or at least vintagey kind of, so I don't know. We'll probably keep it. Yeah, this one is definitely a cruel joke, closer to a scam. Someone just got rid of a lot of shit they didn't need to in their place, and called it a mystery box. I wish it would say mystery box books edition. Then honestly I wouldn't mind it at all. I mean, you know, it would be fun, but yeah, the image showed like, you know, packages, like Amazon packages and kind of that kind of stuff. So I'm definitely going to be more careful when reading description and the reviews next time. Should I do another one, guys? What do you think? Are you having fun? Yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this video useful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!